Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Screen Time so the system can govern app updates. Make sure Screen Time is enabled, and if applicable, you're the family organizer. This allows you to approve updates for another device. Once done, set or verify a Screen Time passcode so changes require your authorization. This prevents automatic overrides. Now that prerequisites are in place, proceed to the actual app update permissions and approval settings for managed devices and child accounts. Next, you dive into content and privacy restrictions to control installations and updates. Enable the restrictions toggle, then choose iTunes and App Store purchases, and decide whether installing and deleting apps is allowed. For family-managed accounts, enable Ask to Buy and select Always Require so you can approve updates from your device. This explains why you'll get a request instead of silent installs. Make sure automatic updates in Settings App Store are set to match your intended behavior to avoid conflicts. Finally, you manually approve and complete updates. Open the App Store, tap your account, and install pending updates or respond to Ask to Buy requests. If an approval doesn't go through, make sure the device is connected to Wi-Fi, the correct Apple ID is signed in, and screen time settings haven't been changed accidentally. If permissions remain stuck, reset the screen time passcode or sign out and back into iCloud. This usually resolves sync issues and restores update controls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.